The National Weather Service office in Indianapolis has just activated the warning alarm system on NOAA weather radio stations KEC74, WXK74, WXK72, WWG73, WWG72, WXM78, WWG83, KZZ27, and KJY93 as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Indianapolis every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time. If severe weather threatens the area near the normally conducted test time, the test will be postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary depending on your distance from the transmitter, the quality of your radio, and your surroundings. This has been a live broadcast from the National Weather Service in Indianapolis.